Hey loves, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be putting on my first wig. Not my first wig, but my first time putting it on by myself. So if I could place this camera right. I'm being lazy, y'all. I don't want to go get my tripod. So yes, so I purchased me a wig off of Amazon. So this is my first time putting it on by myself, and I want to share with you guys. So I haven't opened it yet. I got it from, it's a Wave and Breeze. It's 100% virgin human hair, unprocessed natural, 100% brilliant Remy hair, human hair wig, tangle free. You can shampoo it, you can straighten it, you can bleach it and dye it, and you can wear it in updos, ponytails, all that stuff. So this is the box it came in. By the way, comes in this box from Amazon. Let's open it and see what we got. I'll get to that in a second. So it came with, it is a headband wig, by the way. Surprise! Cause your girl ain't doing, I ain't doing it. So it came with 5 headbands. A leopard one. This one. It's pretty. And this one. This one. And this one. Those are the 5 headbands. It in its own little bag, which is great. I think this is like a henna tattoo, which is cute. That's cute. And then it came with lashes, which I don't know how to put them on. I don't know how to put on lashes. Yeah, I have somebody do that for me. It came with just like a little hair tie, so when you want to put the wig up in a bun. It came with a wave cap, and it came with a nude wig cap. So yeah, but to what we all came here for. Yes, honey. Let's get into it. Yes. Y'all ready to see her? Because I ain't gonna lie, I looked at her. I did say I didn't open the box, but I lied. I couldn't help myself. I didn't open everything. I opened her. But this is she. So it is 18-inch human hair. Like I said, it's a headband wig. So it has, this one has 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 right there, and then 1 at the back. And it has this little strap to put it on. And I'm just gonna put her in a ponytail so I can snap it on my head properly. Just doing it like this, so that way the hair won't get caught when I'm trying to put it on. So we're gonna put the cap on. I did just put my hair, I'm not the best braider in the world, so I just put my hair in 4 little braids going to the back, and I just kind of tucked, because my hair is really long, so I just kind of tucked the little tail into another braid. And I'm gonna put this cap on. My first time, y'all, I never do stuff like this because I'm not really good at it. I've never been the girl that's been into wigs and stuff, but I'm the girl that's tired of combing her hair. Okay, period. I am. So, ooh, is this gonna fit on my big old head? And you don't have to, the good thing I love about this wig, you don't have to, I just need my hair to lay flat. All of this can stay out. Yes. So I'm going to do something to my edges. Different. Because I usually wear my hair like this part. I wear it flat. So I brush it flat. This is how I do mine. Everybody else do they stuff different. I understand that. This is how I do my hair. If you know how to do edges a different way, so that's how I do my edges. Somebody else may do theirs different. I'm the same girls, y'all be laying them down, lay it down. But yeah, so we about to put her on. Let's see if she fits. Okay, I'm gonna put it, let's see, take this out. This is cute. And yeah, she's really cute. I'm feeling her. And I did it myself. Period. Let's see. Let's see. Let's put a headband on. Let's put this on. This is really cute. Lay your head down, lay your head down so I can work it. Work it. Olay. Okay. I'm back. Let's try half up, half down. I just like the fact that, you know, I can take this off at night. All of that stuff. I don't have to be restricted to, I put a little messy bun. This is really cute. And it's not heavy. It's not, I've been messing in this, the hair. This is the most hair I got out of it. I'm going to list it in the description box below in case you guys want to purchase. But I'm going to see what she looked like with some makeup on. Let's put some makeup on. Now, I'm not a makeup artist either. I do my makeup for me and how I like it. So, purr. Sis, your girl just popped out. Purr. Let me get y'all a close up so y'all can see this beautiful face. And my wig is popping. So, that was my first time putting a wig on. I did get this wig from Amazon, and I will list it in the description box below. So in case anybody want to purchase, keep in mind it's my first time putting a wig on, period. So please don't come for me in the comments. Hopefully y'all like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thank you for rocking with your girl. Have a great day.